you are building an AI SaaS product, you need to stop and listen to this. Yes, there's been lots of conversations whether SaaS is dead. And I don't think that's necessarily true, but I do think there's been an important transition over the last couple months. As the LLM providers continue to compete on the world stage, whether that's Gemini, OpenAI, Anthropic, the model quality continues to skyrocket. And with each iteration of these LLMs, the capability of their technology becomes more and more proficient. This means it's faster to create apps and less expensive, which means they are less valuable by default. The true value of software today is as a harness for whatever LLM is available. You can basically think of a harness as the wrapper around the model. You could look at it like the car that surrounds the car engine, where the car engine is the LLM. So this can include things like memory, orchestration, sub-agent load management, and the specific business acumen that the software is providing. For example, if you're building an app to do hotel reservations through a chat interface, it would be the wrapping around of knowing how to integrate the hotel reservation systems as an MCP tool for that LLM. And that's really what is going to make a successful SaaS product today, because people are going to choose whatever model is the most effective, so you don't want to lock yourself into Anthropic or OpenAI or Gemini. Having that variety for different kinds of tasks is very important. And with the cost structure of current co-working or cloud coding, whatever compute-intensive work is being done with any particular AI platform, on the harness also sets you up for success in terms of being able to manage the fixed cost of developing an AI product while handing over the responsibility of the variable cost in terms of the token usage, the credit usage, the computationally intensive tasks that people want to perform with an LLM back over to the user so that they can manage their own costs, which I think is an incredibly important trust mechanism today when it comes to AI SaaS software, because the last thing you want as a SaaS vendor is to take the bullet for somebody that uses your software 1,000 times a day versus somebody that uses it once. And the consumer end, they want to be able to have trust in being able to set credit budgets, set admin controls around how much usage can actually happen. So this again speaks to why AI SaaS products are really needing to be a harness so that you can have them at a fixed cost. The variable cost of usage is managed by the user so that the vendor and the user have trust in you get what you pay for. And it also means that the product naturally evolves with the models rather than being replaced by them. Would love to hear your guys' thoughts. Shoot me a message if you have any questions.